Thank you for joining the Single Voices Global Choices Initiative. The platform that we will use to share resources and communicate is Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a platform which allows you to have meetings, create, share, edit and find content, call and meet team members, and use chat and instant messaging to communicate. This short video will give you a brief introduction on how to use the Teams platform. You can access Teams through a desktop application, access it through your browser, or download through the mobile app. So the first concept that you have to get used to is the idea of teams and channels. So as you can see on the left, each team has subsections which are called channels. And a general channel will automatically be created in any team. You can have multiple channels within a team. As you can see here, we've got general, high school teachers, inspiration corner, questions, for example. Channels can relate to different student levels. So for example, for middle school teachers or high school teachers, basically whatever suits the organisation that we are working with. Okay, so whenever there is a new notification or activity, that particular channel will become bold. Each channel can also have their own tabs along the top. So in a particular case, high school teachers, we have posts, files and notes. So the posts are how we communicate on the channel. We have files which allow shared documents within that channel, and notes which are shared in OneNote. And we'll now look at the files and notes categories in a little bit more detail. In your Teams window, you can perform a variety of tasks directly within the window or browser, so that you avoid flicking between different applications. These tasks include the ability to delete, download, move files, open, copy, edit, or get a link to share with others, giving you all the key features you would get in native applications. You can also start a group chat alongside a file to allow team discussions while working on that particular file. And this conversation will appear in your conversation thread. Speaking of the conversation thread, conversations are one of the key features of the team, allowing each team to have a centralized discussion that is saved and easily searchable. Conversations are an essential component where all teamwork is recorded, from file sharing to even video calls. The use of @mentions allows you to tag participants or even whole teams to notify others. Users that look at conversations will easily see where they have been mentioned through a red @ symbol to highlight areas of importance to them. On top of this, your desktop app will notify you through an alert. As well as tagging, users can like content, share emoticons or GIFs and files as well. As a final note, in the conversation section, you can add tabs. So as mentioned, with tabs, you can add GIFs and files or begin a meeting, but you can also add applications like Microsoft Forms for quizzes or, for example, sways. And these are being added on regularly by Microsoft to add different ways to converse with your fellow colleagues in the team. You will also notice the notes section. So notes take you to a team shared OneNote. Within Teams, you can view and edit your OneNotes directly within Teams, or you can click to edit within the OneNote app. So just to quickly summarize the menu on the left-hand side, you will see you can navigate between different areas within Teams, such as chats, meetings, files, and activity. Activities show you where last activity with the team that you are part of. And chat, this holds basically a conversation, providing complete chat history. However, for a chat within a team, you should use the Teams menu and hold that chat group in the conversation for that team. Teams is an overview of all your teams that you're part of and allows you to drill down into each channel within the teams. You can also create teams if you have admin rights. Meetings. The Meetings tab is right at the top right-hand corner. This allows you to schedule meetings within the channel for basically everybody in that channel, and it can basically allow you to communicate in real time using video conferencing. And files. Within the files, you can quickly find and view files across OneNote, OneDrive, and within the teams. There's also a very helpful recent tab so that you can quickly access the latest documents you were working on, as well as shortcut into your downloads. So hopefully that's a quick overview of Microsoft Teams, so you can get on board and start using this wonderful tool so we can start collaborating for our learners on this project.